What's up, guys? Justin here, and it's Brighton preview before the Blackburn Rovers game. Obviously, it's at home, and I think we're gonna win. We're gonna win 2-0. I think Leroy Little possibly will start after he scored against Doncaster Rovers. I think if he does start, he'll score. And don't hold me on this one, but I've got that little sense that David Lopez is going to start and he's going to score a free kick like he did last week. Oscar Garcia's obviously started to pick up the pieces after last week's one over Doncaster. But maybe, I'm not sure, this may go in the middle of the game or afterwards. I don't know, but it's definitely not gone up before because I don't know. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, rate, subscribe, tell your friends, share the video, whatever. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.